who can resist the allure of a perfectly crafted sandwich? An ode to culinary creativity, a sandwich can be as simple or as complex as your imagination allows. But what if your favorite sandwich could be elevated to the realm of culinary masterpieces? Let's begin this flavor journey. A sandwich starts with its base, the bread. It's the vessel that holds everything together. Whether it's a crusty sourdough, a rich whole grain, a buttery croissant, or even a bagel, the choice of bread can shape the identity of your sandwich. The texture, the aroma, the flavor, every detail matters. Next, it's time to choose the protein, the heart of the sandwich, if you will. Traditional choices like roasted turkey, grilled chicken, or savory roast beef are always reliable. But what about exploring the less traveled paths of marinated tofu, seared halloumi, or even smoked salmon? The protein choice adds a depth of flavor and a satisfying bite to your sandwich. Then comes the veggie wonderland. Vegetables don't just add color and crunch to your sandwich, they bring a freshness that balances out the other flavors. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, thinly sliced cucumbers, roasted peppers. Each vegetable adds its own unique touch. The raw and cooked options create a vibrant mosaic of tastes and textures. But a sandwich isn't complete without the sauce. The right sauce can transform a good sandwich into a great one. The classics like mayonnaise and mustard are always there, but why not experiment with homemade aioli, pesto, or spicy sriracha mayo? Perhaps even a dash of chutney, relish, or flavored oil for an unexpected twist. And let's not forget about the cheese, the creamy, tangy, smoky champion of the sandwich world. Whether it's a reliable cheddar or Swiss, or an exotic brie, goat cheese, or Gouda, cheese adds a layer of richness and complexity to your sandwich. Finally, the signature touch, the element that makes your sandwich truly yours. It could be a unique combination of ingredients, a special seasoning blend, or a cooking technique that adds an unexpected flavor. The signature touch is where you can really let your culinary creativity shine. In the end, the ultimate sandwich masterpiece is a symphony of flavors, each ingredient playing its part in harmony with the others. The bread, the protein, the vegetables, the sauce, the cheese, and the signature touch, all coming together to create a culinary masterpiece that's as delicious as it is creative. So, what does your ultimate sandwich masterpiece look like?